Cartoons from different countries create by ILoveComparisons. Bolts and Blip from Canada created by Andrew Knight in 2010. Buck and Buddy from Malaysia created by Brian Chong, Waleed Omar and Lorna Henderson in 2020. HANAZUKI Full of Treasures from United States directed by Allison Craig in 2017. MILO from United Kingdom created by Rowena Blythe, Chris Capstick and Joe Maroney in 2021. ELLI and the Ghostly Ghost from Germany directed by Train Pete de Ricker, Jesper Mahler and Jens Mahler in 2024. GLUMPERS from Spain created by Make in 2011. Sally Bollywood from France created by Pepper Sue and Elastic Jane in 2009. Interstellar Ella from Belgium created by Ella Adam Long in 2022. Island of Hostilities from Egypt created by Meg Anime in 2023. Kid and Kate from Russia created by Vladimir Ponomarev, Michael Menes and Mike DeSeve in 2014. The Blue Mouse and the Big-Faced Cat from China in 1993. MUSTI from Belgium created by Ray Goossens in 1968. The Pirates Next Door from France directed by Fabrice Fouquet in 2017. Little Einsteins from United States created by Eric Weiner and Douglas Wood in 2005. Simon in the Land of Chalk Drawings from United Kingdom created by Edward McLaughlin in 1974. Our Friend Remy Bear, Women de PENGYOU XIONG from China in 2013. Zip Zip from France created by Aurora Damand in 2015. SCAREDY Squirrel from Canada directed by Matt Ferguson in 2011. If like video, please like, subscribe and share your friends this video. Thanks.